Hi, welcome to tutorial that in the part of SQL Server tutorial. Here, the case expression, this case statement, we will call this case statement or case expression. By using case expression, uh, we can do so many things. Like we can alter the rows, we can write conditions, right? In complex queries, while writing complex queries, connecting various databases, uh, various conditions, case statement plays a vital role. So case statement is one of the most important concept related to uh, SQL Server, SQL, right? Here, let's get straight into that. In SQL, the case expression has the functionality of an if then else statement, right? Often people will refer to an SQL statement that includes a case expression as a case statement. Case expression as a case statement, like, right? If then else statement. Let's look into an example. See here, customer ID, first name, country, club member from customers. Let's say we have the following task: an expression to the query called customer status. Here, add an expression to the query called customer status. If a customer is from USA and is a club member, give a value of domestic member for that expression. If from the USA and is not club member, the domestic not non-member. If a customer is not from USA but is a club member, then their customer status is foreign member. If not from the USA and is not a club member, then foreign non-member. Let's see how to write. See, like this we have to write case statement. Select customer ID, first name, country, club member. Here case when country ID, case when country is equal to USA and club member is yes, then domestic member. When country is equal to USA and club member no, then domestic non-member. Country is not equal to USA but club member, then foreign member. Country not equal to USA and not club number, then return foreign non-member, right? And here and as customer status from customers. See, this is the result previously. So here this customer status extra column added by using this case statement, right? Case statement I have to practice 2-3 times. Better to practice much more because when we write if whenever you want to write some complex queries, case statements plays a vital role in complex queries, right? So observe that case statement. To finish the case statement, we also need to write that keyword, that end keyword. So uh, customer underscore status is that column name. See, when club member yes, then foreign member, club member no, then foreign member. Like this also you can write. Else unknown, else statement you can use. Therefore, see here what happened. One important thing to be aware of when writing a case expression is that then when in order that they are written, so we can use this fact for our advantage, like see, and in this case we can get the same result, but by writing the case expression like this. See, when club member is yes, then foreign member, member no, then for non-member else unknown. So this is the first when clause we are covering of all the situations involving customers, right? We are covering all the situations for customers involving customers from the USA, because the when clause gets evaluated, or this means that once we reach the third and fourth when clause, see, we can assume that these customers are not from USA, because we already dealt with those customers in the first two. USA customers we already dealt, right? So USA related customers we already deal in the first two statements, two conditions, right? So another thing to know about the case expression is to actually has two forms to it: a simple form and a search form. See, the example we are seeing so far are both the search form, which allows to test multiple columns and as well as you use a comparison operators such as equals, not equals, etc. Right? Let's now take a look at the sample form of expression. See, uh, so here we have the simple form of the case expression. Notice the syntax difference. See, case country when USA, then domestic, else foreign, and as customer category. Case country if country when country is USA, country when USA, then domestic, else foreign, domestic, foreign, and as customer category. So here the syntax difference, instead of writing case when we have a case, and then after that we specify a column, so we have case country, and then after that we have the when clause. So this means that the simple form is just testing one input expression in this case, right? The country column. In this example we just have uh, when USA, then the valid domestic, else give the value foreign. See, we end the case expression with an keyword again, and then we gave it a name, and as. Case statement, whenever you use, you have to use and as. Case statement, inside the select statement you have to write case statement. So this expression is now being named as customer category. At case expression challenges, later we will cover a case expression challenges.